Are you spending your days in the gym pumping weights trying to bulk up only to be losing weight? In this article you will discover how to gain weight fast so you can achieve the muscle growth you desire. We'll discuss how you should be eating more, cutting down your workouts and workout duration and using heavier weights. The 4 easy steps that show you how to gain weight fast are easy to follow and incorporate into your own routine. In fact, you will find that you actually have more free time while getting bigger. With these simple steps you will realize your goals the natural, healthy way. The 4 easy steps for how to gain weight fast are: Number 1. Eat more. You need to be eating more calories than you are using. You need extra calories so that your muscle can build. To determine how many calories you are currently consuming, keep a food diary for a week. In this, record exactly what foods you eat every day for 7 days. At the end of the week add up the calories. Also look at the types of foods you are eating. To get the best muscle gain you need to avoid the junk food and focus on eating whole foods. An ideal weight gain diet should be 20 to 50% carbohydrates, 30 to 50% protein and 20 to 40% fat. Majority should be essential fatty acids. Once starting your new diet, keep recording in your food diary and experiment with the nutrient ratios to find that which works for you. Note, an easy tool to use to assist you in working out your diet is a customized meal plan. These help you to develop daily menus based on your weight gain goals and your own individual body type. They are an invaluable resource, developing a diet that is right for you, simple and effective. Number 2. Cut down workouts. You don't want to be weight training every day. Ideally you want to keep your workouts to 3 one-hour sessions a week. This gives your muscles the time they need to recover and to build. Overtraining causes you to burn up those extra calories needed for muscle growth and also can cause your muscles to become unresponsive, thus hampering your weight gain objectives. Number 3. Lift heavier weights. Working at intensity is the key. You want to increase the weights you are lifting. Aim to lift a weight that makes you fail at 6 to 8 repetitions. Working at intensity will build the muscle, helping you achieve the size you desire. Number 4. Shorten workout duration. Aim to shorten your workouts to 1 hour and only do 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 repetitions of each exercise. Any more than this and you will be overtraining the muscle. If you are able to comfortably lift a weight for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps, then increase the weight. You are aiming to lift a weight that makes you fail. The 4 steps on how to gain weight fast are simple to implement, practical and proven to get results. If you make these changes to your diet and workouts, you will take your training to a whole new level and will achieve your goals where previously you have failed. As you can see, you don't need expensive equipment, personal trainers or nutritionists to achieve your goals. These are techniques that you can use to kickstart your progress today. The 4 easy steps on how to gain weight fast will enable you to have the rippling, lean muscle you have been striving for.